Lady Londie, she is not scared by Vuyokazi and her husband for taking illegal action against her. So for those who don't know, Lady Londie, she's the owner of Vuyokazi Entertainment, that YouTube channel that is doing so well here on YouTube. Oh baby girl, she's shiny. So on her Facebook account is Lady Londie, guys. So she went on to respond to Vuyokazi and Sabelo, guys. This is what she has to say. She's so brave. She's a brave woman. She went on to say that about not my being served mean I can apologize here, but I will not be lying to my audience saying those audios were not of Xolani. Every audio that was released, it is true. Just ask me nicely to delete videos, but I will not be lying on your behalf. Excuse, I'm sorry. So according to Lady Londie, those audios and voice notes, they were true. I mean, she has evidence. So they only need to do is to ask her nice and say, please, can you delete these videos? You know, they're just ruining our reputation. We are trying to, want to work on this marriage after the end of episode is term, because the Umpumele was like, I am done with the Vuyokazi. Vuyokazi was like, you know what? I already have a new man. So Londie, she's not shaking, guys. She's ready for them. There's something that people are noticing on that letter. There's no stamp. Where is the stamp? What is going on? Vuyokazi and Sabelo, are you sure this is true, or maybe you are faking this letter? We are no longer sure because we need to see the stamp. And people are supporting Lady Londie, saying that we are behind you. Next time, please get legal, get those companies where they will get probably have lawyers like Owami Entertainment. I consume social media, guys. So don't worry. Those who were worried about him because the entertainment, she has to use all the money, against the Vuyokazi and husband. She was like, don't worry, my money is safe. I'm still gonna enjoy my YouTube money. So if Vuyokazi and her husband, they must just come to my Facebook page and allow me to apologize. They must not go through the corners. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. God bless you. Bye.